dropped his floaty by the chair and stood alone with a nervous stare. Naomi smiled and softly said, "Would you like to play instead?" Ethan shared his beach ball too. "Come join us, we'll wait for you."
Soon the boy began to grin, splashing happily with new friends in.
Being kind and including others helps everyone feel happy, safe, and welcome.
Splash, splash, slide away. Water park fun all summer day. Helping friends and being kind makes the best adventures you can find. Twisty slides and fountains bright, smiles shining in the sunlight. With Naomi and Ethan leading the play, friendship grows stronger every day. Wave pools bounced with up and down fun. Water sparkled in the sun.
Ice cream cones and fruity drinks, happy dancing by the sinks.
Tiny toddler splashed nearby, water buckets flying high. Music played with a bubbly beat, everyone moved their happy feet.
When the golden sun sank low, the fountain shimmered with a glow.
Naomi smiled, what a day.
Ethan laughed,
I wish we could stay.
but they learned something special too. Kindness makes fun grow for you.
A caring heart can always bring joy to every